Welcome. Today I present to you the Ford what car is it again? Ford Ranger 2.5, I think. Yeah, automatic. It's a very old model of alternator, and I'm going to show you the connection of it, how to test it. As you can see here, we have our positive this side. We have on this plug, we have 3 pin. You can see this regulator. This is a voltage regulator, this one. So inside you have 3 pins. The first pin this side is a warning light. The middle pin is connected to this pin here. So from this middle pin you connect, the wire goes and get in this side. So from here it goes here, and the last one on this side is a ignition power or battery light, or it depends. I will put a photo of the connection on the video. So this one goes here, and this warning light go to our tester light. And once it's done, you can feel the magnetic on the alternator, sign of that you will charge. And unfortunately there's no one to hold the phone. I will show you how is after I spin. When I spin it, the light goes off. Let me try it this way. There's no way. That is the connection of this type of alternator. It's a very old model, so it's difficult to find out how to connect it, because even me, I was connecting these two on the power, on the battery light, and once you connect it like that, your light is going off there. So your warning light is going off. Or we're supposed to have a warning light. It's only when we spin the alternator that is supposed to go off. But when I was connecting this middle one and this last one to the battery, my warning light was going off same times. That was not good. So now with this connection, the middle one here and the last one on the battery, the warning light stays on until I spin the alternator. So this is how to connect this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.